The Internet of Things, understanding its impact and potential. The Internet of Things, IoT, is a concept that has been rapidly gaining attention over the past few years. It refers to a network of physical objects that are embedded with sensors, software, and other technologies that enable them to connect and exchange data with other devices and systems over the Internet. This might sound complex, but it essentially means that everyday objects, from household appliances to industrial machines, can now communicate with each other and with us through the Internet. The IoT has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives, from the way we work to the way we manage our homes. For instance, imagine a world where your refrigerator can order groceries when you are running low on milk, or your thermostat adjusts itself based on your daily routine to save energy. These are not futuristic dreams, but realities made possible by IoT-enabled devices. However, as with any rapidly advancing technology, the IoT also raises several concerns, particularly around security and privacy. As more and more devices become connected to the Internet, they also become potential targets for hackers. Moreover, the vast amount of data collected by IoT devices can be used to track our movements and activities, which raises significant privacy issues. In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve deep into the world of IoT, examining both its potential benefits and the challenges it presents. We will also provide practical tips on how to protect yourself from the risks associated with this technology. By the end of this video, you will have a thorough understanding of what the IoT is, how it is currently being used, and what the future might hold. The basics of IoT. To begin, it is important to understand what we mean by the Internet of Things. At its core, the IoT is a system of interrelated devices that are connected to the Internet and can communicate with each other. These devices range from everyday household items like refrigerators and washing machines to complex industrial machines used in manufacturing. The key feature that defines an IoT device is its ability to collect and exchange data. This data can then be used to automate processes, monitor conditions, and even predict future events. For example, a smart thermostat can collect data about your daily routines and adjust the temperature in your home accordingly. This not only makes your home more comfortable but also helps you save energy. Similarly, a smart refrigerator can monitor the food inside and notify you when you are running low on certain items. Some even have the ability to automatically place an order for groceries online, ensuring that you never run out of essentials. But the IoT is not limited to the home. In fact, its applications extend far beyond, into areas like healthcare, manufacturing, and even entire cities. In healthcare, IoT devices can monitor a patient's vital signs in real time and alert medical professionals if there is any cause for concern. In manufacturing, IoT-enabled machines can track their own performance and notify maintenance teams before a problem arises, reducing downtime and increasing efficiency. Smart cities use IoT devices to monitor traffic, pollution, and other conditions, allowing them to optimize services and improve the quality of life for residents. The potential of IoT. The potential applications of the IoT are vast and varied, and we are only beginning to scratch the surface of what this technology can do. Here are some examples of how the IoT is already being used in our daily lives. 1. Smart homes. In the realm of smart homes, IoT-enabled devices are transforming the way we live. From controlling lights and thermostats to managing security systems and even kitchen appliances, the possibilities are endless. Imagine waking up in the morning to the smell of freshly brewed coffee, your blinds automatically opening to let in the morning light, and your thermostat adjusting to your preferred temperature, all without you having to lift a finger. Smart home devices can also help you save energy by turning off lights and appliances when they are not in use, or by adjusting the thermostat based on whether you are home or away. Additionally, they can provide enhanced security by allowing you to monitor your home remotely and receive alerts if there is any suspicious activity. 2. Smart cities. Smart cities represent another area where the IoT is making a significant impact. By using IoT devices to monitor traffic, pollution, and other conditions, cities can optimize services and make more informed decisions. For example, sensors placed in roadways can monitor traffic patterns in real time, allowing city planners to adjust traffic signals and reduce congestion. Similarly, sensors that monitor air quality can alert residents when pollution levels are high, enabling them to take precautions. Smart cities can also use IoT devices to improve public safety by monitoring crime hotspots and deploying resources more effectively. The result is a city that is more efficient, more sustainable, and more livable. 3. Healthcare. In healthcare, the IoT is revolutionizing the way patients are monitored and treated. IoT-enabled devices can continuously monitor a patient's vital signs and transmit that data to healthcare providers in real time. This allows for early detection of potential health issues and enables medical professionals to intervene before a condition worsens. For example, a patient with a heart condition might wear a smart device that monitors their heart rate and alerts their doctor if there are any irregularities. In some cases, IoT devices can even administer medication or adjust treatment plans based on real-time data. The result is more personalized and effective healthcare that can improve outcomes and reduce costs. 4. Manufacturing. In the manufacturing sector, the IoT is helping companies improve efficiency and reduce costs. IoT-enabled machines can monitor their own performance and notify maintenance teams if there are any issues, allowing for proactive maintenance that reduces downtime. Additionally, IoT devices can track the movement of goods through the supply chain, providing real-time visibility into inventory levels and helping companies optimize their operations. For example, sensors placed on shipping containers can monitor temperature and humidity, ensuring that perishable goods are stored in optimal conditions. By leveraging the IoT, manufacturers can improve productivity, reduce waste, and deliver better products to customers. 5. Retail. The retail industry is also being transformed by the IoT. Retailers can use IoT devices to track inventory, monitor customer behavior, and provide personalized recommendations. For example, sensors placed on shelves can monitor inventory levels and automatically reorder products when they are running low. This not only ensures that shelves are always stocked but also reduces the need for manual inventory checks. Additionally, IoT devices can monitor customer behavior in store, providing valuable insights into shopping patterns and preferences. This data can then be used to create personalized marketing campaigns that target customers with products and offers that are relevant to them. The result is a more personalized shopping experience that increases customer satisfaction and drives sales. The challenges of IoT. While the IoT offers many benefits, it also presents several challenges that need to be addressed. The most significant of these challenges are related to security and privacy. As more and more devices become connected to the internet, they also become potential targets for hackers. This is particularly concerning in the context of smart homes and healthcare, where a security breach could have serious consequences. 1. Security. One of the biggest challenges associated with the IoT is security. IoT devices are often not as secure as traditional computers and can be vulnerable to hacking. This is because many IoT devices are designed to be lightweight and inexpensive, which means that security features are often an afterthought. For example, some IoT devices do not require a password to connect to the internet, making them an easy target for hackers. Once a hacker gains access to an IoT device, they can potentially control the device, steal data, or use the device as a gateway to access other devices on the same network. This is particularly concerning in the context of smart homes, where a security breach could allow a hacker to control your thermostat, lights, and even your security system. 2. Data collection. Another challenge associated with the IoT is the vast amount of data that is collected by IoT devices. This data can be used to track our movements and activities, which raises significant privacy concerns. For example, a smart thermostat might collect data about when you are home and when you are away, which could be used to infer your daily routine. Similarly, a smart refrigerator might collect data about the types of food you eat, which could be used to target you with personalized advertising. While this data can be used to improve services and create more personalized experiences, it can also be used in ways that invade our privacy. 3. Privacy. Privacy is another major concern when it comes to the IoT. IoT devices can collect a lot of data about our activities, which can be used to track us or target us with advertising. For example, a smart speaker might listen to your conversations and use that data to target you with ads. Similarly, a smart security camera might record footage of your home and store it in the cloud, where it could potentially be accessed by others. The more IoT devices we have in our homes, the more data is being collected about us, and the more opportunities there are for that data to be misused. Protecting yourself from IoT risks. Given the potential risks associated with the IoT, it is important to take steps to protect yourself. Here are some tips on how to do so. 1. Use strong passwords. One of the easiest ways to protect yourself from IoT risks is to use strong passwords for your devices. This means using a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols, and avoiding common words or phrases. You should also avoid using the same password for multiple devices or accounts, as this makes it easier for hackers to gain access to your information. Additionally, you should change your passwords regularly to reduce the risk of a security breach. 2. Keep your software up to date. Another important step in protecting yourself from IoT risks is to keep your software up to date. This includes not only the software on your IoT devices but also the software on your computer and smartphone. Many security vulnerabilities are discovered after a device has been released, so it is important to install updates as soon as they become available. This will help protect you from known security threats and keep your devices secure. 3. Be careful about what data you share. When using IoT devices, it is important to be mindful of what data you are sharing and with whom. This includes not only the data you intentionally share, such as when you set up a device, but also the data that is collected automatically. For example, some IoT devices collect data about your location, which could be used to track your movements. To protect your privacy, you should review the privacy settings on your devices and limit the amount of data that is collected. You should also be cautious about sharing personal information, such as your name or address, with IoT devices. 4. Use a VPN when connecting to public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi networks are often less secure than private networks, making them a prime target for hackers. To protect yourself when using public Wi-Fi, you should consider using a virtual private network, VPN. A VPN encrypts your internet connection, making it more difficult for hackers to intercept your data. This is especially important when using IoT devices, as they often transmit sensitive information that could be used to compromise your security. 5. Consider using a firewall. A firewall is a security system that monitors and controls incoming and outgoing network traffic based on predetermined security rules. By using a firewall, you can help protect your IoT devices from unauthorized access. This is particularly important if you have multiple IoT devices connected to the same network, as a firewall can help prevent hackers from gaining access to your entire network. Additionally, some firewalls offer features specifically designed for IoT devices, such as the ability to block certain types of traffic or monitor device activity. The future of IoT. The IoT is still in its early stages of development, but it has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of the IoT in areas such as healthcare, transportation, and smart cities. However, it is important to be aware of the risks and challenges associated with the IoT and take steps to protect yourself. In the future, we can expect to see more IoT devices that are designed with security and privacy in mind. For example, manufacturers may start to include stronger security features, such as encryption and authentication, in their devices. Additionally, we may see more regulations around the collection and use of data by IoT devices, which could help protect consumers' privacy. At the same time, the IoT has the potential to create new opportunities for businesses and individuals alike. For example, businesses could use IoT devices to create more personalized products and services, while individuals could use IoT devices to improve their health and well-being. The possibilities are endless, and the IoT is likely to have a significant impact on our lives in the years to come. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Internet of Things is a powerful technology that has the potential to transform many aspects of our lives. From smart homes and cities to healthcare and manufacturing, the IoT is already making a significant impact in many areas. However, it is important to be aware of the risks associated with the IoT, particularly around security and privacy. By taking steps to protect yourself, such as using strong passwords, keeping your software up to date, and being careful about what data you share, you can enjoy the benefits of the IoT while minimizing the risks. As the IoT continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative applications of this technology in the years to come. Whether you are a business owner looking to leverage the IoT for competitive advantage, or an individual interested in improving your home or health, there are many opportunities to explore. By staying informed and taking the necessary precautions, you can make the most of the IoT and enjoy its many benefits. If you are interested in learning more about the IoT, I encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Tech Pros. We have a number of videos that discuss the IoT in detail. You can also like, share, and comment on our videos to let us know what you think. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping you stay informed about the latest developments in technology. Cheers!